Good afternoon, Chairman Shah and delegates. My topic is RD surgery for residents. I go in favor of residents should do RD surgery. No financial interest to disclose. Residency training is an essential phase of metamorphosis in the life cycle of a medical student that marks the transformation of a theoretical generalist into a practically oriented specialist getting up to assume personal responsibility for patient care. Over the years, the process of surgical training has evolved from an unstructured apprenticeship of unlimited duration in the distant past and a more organized Hallstadian pyramidal model in the 20th century to the current standardized rectangular model with defined timelines. However, the essential Hallstadian concept, see one, do one, teach one, continue to be ingrained in our residency training. The process of residency training is physically, emotionally, and intellectually demanding, and the essential requirement of an ideal residency program are a learning and working environment that fosters excellence in safety and quality of care and professionalism. Regarding training of retinal surgeries to residents, there are very few laboratory surgical models available to teach basic surgeries. However, no experimental laboratory model is available to train the residents in the field of buckling surgeries. In report by Sangong, it was concluded that at least 30 buckling surgeries needed to be performed to achieve a stable clinical result by retina expert. Therefore, enhancing basic procedure knowledge and necessary surgical training cannot be underestimated. At the end of residency, our aim should be to produce an ophthalmologist competent enough to detect potential vision threatening emergencies such as retinal tears and detachments. Blindness due to retinal detachment can be avoided if diagnosed at appropriate time. Thus, we need proper exposure and good training in retina during ophthalmology residency to prepare them for facing future challenges. A phased program should be chalked out. In the first phase, the residents is given training in preparation of cases for operation, pre-medications, and regional anesthetics blocks. In the next phase, the residents assist the operating surgeons during the operations. And in the third phase, residents operates independently, assisted by a senior resident or faculty member. He or she is required to be proficient in some operations and shows familiarity with others. I shall quote famous quote by Benjamin Franklin: "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn." Hence, involvement in surgery is must for residents to make them confident, future responsible ophthalmologists. Thank you.